You are welcome to this lecture, and under this lecture I'll be showing you more places where you can upload and publish your ebooks. Now, I mentioned earlier about your website and uploading your ebooks on Google Drive. Now, I want to take it a step further in this particular lecture. Now, on your screen is a picture of the Amazon website. Amazon, you can always publish your books on Amazon. I'm still going to talk a lot about this. It's very important because we use this a lot. Amazon is about the biggest online store, and the ebook store is also about the biggest online. It has a major share of the audience online for ebooks. Now, if it has a major share, then I believe your books should be on Amazon. We've had a great success publishing our books and selling our books on Amazon. When we put an ebooks on Amazon, the next few hours after it is approved, then a lot of people can be able to download it and read it, and that's beautiful because you have an opportunity to share the message. And if it's a paid book, you have an opportunity to also make money from it. We've sold lots of books, we've given out a lot of free ebooks. I'm still going to talk about how you publish on Amazon. It is the publishing platform is called the Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Very, very amazing service, very fantastic platform to put ebooks. Now, the second publishing platform that we use is called smashwords.com. This is also the image. We have had a lot of good successes with Smashwords. The beauty about Smashwords is not as big as Amazon, but Smashwords is an online ebook distributor. Smashwords will publish your books and also distribute to a lot of e-stores online, so you don't have to do it yourself. So it's a fantastic service for e-evangelism. You put your books on one store and they distribute to so many other stores. That way you are able to distribute your messages and also information about your ministry to a lot of people at the same time, just using one website. Also, you can put free books and paid books on Smashwords. You can also make income from royalties that will come from it. We've had great success with this. Now, another service that I want to talk about is Draft to Digital. Draft to Digital is not as big as Smashwords yet, but they do almost the same thing as Smashwords. Now, Draft to Digital also is an online distributor of ebook. They will collect your book, publish your book, and also distribute to lots of e-stores, lots of other stores online. So you can pay a visit. Even though under this course I'm only be discussing practically how you publish on Amazon and Smashwords, but it's almost the same thing if you want to do it with Draft to Digital. Now, the next popular online store is what we call lulu.com. Lulu.com is also an old publishing platform, and it's a very fantastic platform. We use Lulu too to distribute our ebooks. They do almost the same thing as Smashwords and Draft to Digital. I believe with this, there are so many online platforms where you can publish your ebooks and sell ebooks. You can use to distribute your ebooks. I leave you to carry out researches on this. Thank you very much. I believe you have enjoyed this lecture.